Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, and one of those will be hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see yours, you can hold it first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings. Reason for that is, under the settings you will find hotspot password. This is a randomly generated password, so I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And you can change other options in here, but they are set by default in what could be considered as a compatibility mode, so they will work with the widest array of devices in this way. So if you don't know what these settings do, I recommend keeping them as they are. Next, you can close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it to enable your hotspot, and you're done. From now on, you can connect to your hotspot with other devices. Once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once again to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.